Hey there, and welcome or maybe even welcome back to my channel. I always enjoy growing my fruit and veggies, and every year I do get better at it. You can grow your fruit and veggies all year round depending on where you live and what type of fruit and or veggie you are trying to grow. To ensure your plants get a good strong root, you need to repot your plants now and then. In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily decorate your repotting pots. So for this you will be needing tin cans in various shapes and sizes, different colors of paint, maybe even some glitter paint, brushes, Mod Podge, chalkboard stickers, a pair of scissors, and some chalkboard markers. So once I've gathered all my supplies, I lay a piece of paper on my table to protect it from the paint. I make sure that all the tin cans are clean and I got as much of the glue off of the cans as I could. On an old plate, I put a good dollop of paint and start painting every tin can in a different color, and then I leave them to dry. Then, when they are all dry, I take the glitter paint and give all the cans a good layer of matching glitter paint. So green glitter on a green painted can, and so on and so on. You can of course paint them any way you want. Once the glitter paint also had some time to dry, I coat the cans with a good layer of Mod Podge and leave it again to dry. When all the paint and Mod Podge layers have dried, it is time for the last step, and that is to add the chalkboard stickers. I found some different ones where one is on a roll like Scotch tape and another which is already shaped in an oval shape. You can of course easily adjust the shape if you find a roll like mine, just with a puncher, or you can cut out a shape maybe in the corner, or you could also make a big heart with a pair of scissors, just whatever you like. Now, all that's left to do is to plant your plants in the cans, and don't forget to write on the stickers what they are. So, that is how you can turn those boring old cans into something really cute. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to let me know how yours turned out. Have fun! For more ideas and free printables, please visit my blog puppymakesdiy.blogspot.com. If you have any ideas or requests on what I should make or bake next time, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. Click here to watch any of my other videos or to subscribe to my channel so you'll never miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!